Hello students, I am going to continue the chapter arithmetic progression of 10th standard. Here the new concept, that is the nth term of an AP. So generally in the AP T1, T2, T3, if the first term is denoted by A, that is small a, and the common difference is by D, then its nth term is given by the following formula, that is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the most important formula to calculate the nth term or the last term of the arithmetic progression, that is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we start with the practice set 3.2. So question 1, that is write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. So there is an activity actually. So arithmetic progression we are given, that is 1, 8, 15 and 22. Here the A, that is the first term, is 1 and T1 is also 1. So both having the same meaning, that is T1 means A. So both the fill in the blanks must be the 1. Then the second term is T2 is 8, T3 is 15 and T4 is 22. So here we are going to find out the difference. So it is calculated by the formula, that is T2 minus T1 is equals to 8 minus 1 is equals to 7. Then T3 minus T2 is equals to 15 minus 8, that is equals to 7. So the D is equals to 7. And similarly we have to solve the example number 2nd and 3rd from the same question. Now we are going to start the second question. So describe whether the following sequence is an AP, and if so, find the 20th term of the progression. I repeat the question. Decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, then find the 20th term of an progression. So we are given the AP, that is minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23 and 30 dash dash dash. So first we have to consider the term. So T1, that is the first term, is minus 12, A is 12, minus 12, and T2 is minus 5, T3 is 2, then T4 is 9, T5 is 16. Now we have to find out the common difference. So it is calculated by the formula, that is T2 minus T1. So minus 5 minus of minus 12, so we will get here minus 5 minus minus plus, that is plus 12, and so the answer is minus 5 plus 12, it is 7. Next, T3 minus T2 is equals to 2 minus of minus 5, so we will get 2 plus 5, that is 7. So here by calculating the same way we get the common difference is 7. And so A is equals to minus 12, that is the first term is minus 12, and the D is equals to 7. And so the given sequence is an AP. We are already given in the example, that is the given sequence is an AP, and we also find it, that is the common difference is constant, and so it is an AP. So we have to find out the general term, that is Tn. So you know the formula, that is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. By putting the values, that is A is minus 12, the n is as it is because we have to find out the nth term, n minus 1 into 7, so minus 12. Now we have to multiply this bracket by the 7, so 7 into n, that is we will get 7n and minus 7. So Tn is equals to 7n, this minus minus plus, so we will get here minus 19. And now we have to find out the 20th term. So you have to put the in the example you are given the n is equals to 20, so instead of writing n we have to write down 20, means the nth term, that is nth term is the 20th term. So put n is equals to 20, wherever there is n we have to put down 20. So 7 into 20 minus 19, so we will get here 140 minus 19, so the answer is 121. Now the question number 3rd. Find the 24th term of the AP, that is the AP given is 12, 16, 20, 24, and so we have to consider the first term, that is A, that is T1 is equals to 12, T2 is equals to 16, T3 is equals to 20, and T4 is equals to 24. Now we have to find out the common difference. Since we are given that is it is an AP, so the difference is constant, so just we find out the first, that is T2 minus T1. So 16 minus 12 we get here 4. there is no need of to calculate that is T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, because already we are given that is it is an AP. So just first step you have to calculate that is T2 minus T1, that is D is equals to 4. Now we have to put down this value in the example. So the formula is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now put n is equals to 24, so A is equals to 12, again n is equals to 24 minus 1 and D is 4. So 12 plus, here the subtraction is 23 into 4, so here we get 12 plus 92, so the T24 means 24th term is 104. Now the question number fourth, find the 19th term of the following AP. So these are the similar examples, means the method of the calculating the answer is same. You are given the AP 7, 13, 19, 25. As that of the third example, you have to consider A, that is T1 is equals to 7, T2 is 13, then T3 is equals to 19 and T4 is equals to 25. Now just we have to find out the common difference. So T2 minus T1 is equals to 13 minus 7, which is equals to 6. A is the first term, that is 7. So here we get A is equals to 7, D is equals to 6. Now going to put down the values in the example. So Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, the formula. Now we have to find out the 19th term. So instead of writing n, we have to write down 19. Wherever there is an n, you have to put down 19. So 7 plus 19 minus 1 into 6, 7 plus 18 into 6. So by calculating we get the answer 115. Now the question number 5. So in question number 5, find the 27th term of the following AP. Again the similar type of example. We are given an AP, just we have to consider A, that is T1 first term, then T2 is 4, T3 is minus 1, T4 is minus 6 and T5 is minus 11. Again you are given that it is an AP, so difference must be constant. So you have to find out by only first step, that is T2 minus T1. So 4 minus 9 is equals to minus 5. So D is minus 5 and A is 9. So we have to put down this value in the formula. So the formula is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. We have to find out the 27th term. So instead of writing n, we have to put down 27. Wherever there is n, we have to put down 27. 9 plus 27 minus 1, and here put the value of D is minus 5, and by calculating this, finally we get the minus 121. Now the question number 6. How many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5? So 3-digit natural numbers divisible by 5 are 100, 105, 110 and 995. So you know that is the 3-digit number which are divisible by 5 starts from the 100. After that we have to choose the numbers by adding the 5 in the previous number. So 100 plus 5 we get 105, plus 5 we get 110, and the last number is 995, which is divisible by 5. So this is the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 5. So the smallest and the biggest 3-digit numbers we get, that is 100, and the largest is 995. So the first number, that is A, is 100, and the common difference we already know, that is there is a difference of 5, so D is 5, and the last term, that is 995, is the last term, so the Tn is equals to 995. Again using the same formula we have to put down. Now see, here the value of Tn, not the value of n is given, but the value of Tn, the total value of Tn is 995. So instead of writing n is equals to 95, the total Tn is equals to 995. A is 100, n is not given, you have to find out it, n minus 1, and D is 5. So 995 is equals to 100, multiply the bracket by 5, so we will get 5n minus 5. Now just take 100 minus 5, we will get 95. Now move this quantity to this side, so we will get 5n is equals to 900, and so n is equals to 900 by 5, so we will get here 180. Means there are 180 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5. Now the question number 7. The 11th term and 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29. Means we are given 11th term is 16 and 21st term of an AP is 29. So find the 41st term of the AP. So we have to find out the 41st term of an AP. Now you are given that is T11 is equals to 16. So T11 is equals to 16 and T21 is equals to 29. So A is the first term, you know that is, and D is the common difference. So just we putting the value in the formula. So Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn is equals to A plus, so we are given the n is n 11th term, so we have to put down n is equals to 11 minus 1. Here we can also write here that is T11. So T11 is equals to A plus 11 minus 1 into D, and you have already given the value of T11 is 16. So here I put the value of T11 as a 16 is equals to A plus 11 minus 1, that is 10D. So here we get the first equation. Similarly, we have to find out the value of T21. Again putting the same value in the same formula. So Tn, so we have to find out the 21st term. So we are given the 21st term, so I put here that is 21 instead of writing n. T21 is equals to same formula, A plus the value of n is 21, 21 minus 1 into D, and you are given the value of T21, that is 29. So here 29 is equals to A plus 21 minus 1, that is 20D. So here we get the two equations, and we have to solve it by the simultaneous equation method. So 29, see the first equation, 29 is equals to A plus 20D, and the second one is 16 is equals to A plus 10 minus. So we are taking the subtraction so that the AA term will get cancelled. So we will get 13 is equals to 10D. So D is equals to 13 by 10, which is equals to 1.3. Now we have to put down this value in either equation 1 or equation 2. So here we put the value in equation 1. So one equation is 16 is equals to A plus 10D. We get the value of D is 1.3. So we put here 1.3, and by solving it we get A is equals to 3. So here we get the value of A as a 3 and D as a 1.3. Now in the example we have to find out the 41st term of an AP. Now we have to choose the same formula. So Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we have to find out the T41 41st term. So A, you know the value of A, that is 3, n is 41 minus 1, and the value of D we find it already, that is 1.3. And so by solving this, that is 3 plus 41 minus 1, that is 40 into 1.3. So we will get here 52 plus 3, and so the answer of 41st term is 55. Now the question number 8. So which terms of the AP 11852 is minus 151? So now we have to find out the term of an AP which is minus 151. So here we are given the first term is 11, second is 8, third is 5, and fourth one is 50, and we are given the last term, that is Tn is minus 151. So here we know that is the second term is 8, third term is 5. Now we have to find out the which term is minus 151. So we have to find out the difference. Since it is an AP, the difference is constant. So T2 minus T1, that is 8 minus 11. So we will get here minus 3. Now we have to find out the values. So Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. You know the value of A is 11. N, we don't know the n value of n. And D is minus 3. So by solving this we get, so minus 3 into n will get minus 3n, and minus minus plus 3. So 11 plus 3 will get 14, and in example we are given that is the value of Tn is minus 151. and so we put the here value, so minus 151. Now we move this 14 to this side, and so by solving the total example we get the n is equals to 165 upon 3, that is n is equals to 55, means 55th term of this AP is minus 151. Now the question number 9, how many natural numbers from 1 to 250 are divisible by 4? So question is, how many natural numbers from 10 to 250 are divisible by 4? So we have to start the counting. So the first number which is divisible by 4 from 10 to 250 is 12. So 12, 16, 20, dash dash dash, then the 1, 244, and the last time is 248. So these numbers are all which are divisible by 4, and the range is in between 10 to 250. So this is an AP. So A is 12 and the common difference is 4. And the last term, that is Tn, you are given, that is 248. Now we have to put down all these value here. So Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is equals to 248. A is 12 plus n minus 1 into D is 4. So 248 is equals to 12 plus 4n minus 4. So we have to move this 12 to this side. 4n minus 4. So 236 plus 4. Move this 4 to this side, is equals to 4n. So 4n is equals to 240. So n is equals to 240 by 4. Answer is 60. Now the question number 10. So the 17th term of an AP is 7 more than the 10th term. So find the common difference. So see the condition given, that is 17th term is 7 more than the 10th term. So here we consider that is A is the first term and D is the common difference. So Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Since 17th term you are given, so we put here n is equals to 17, A plus 17 minus 1 D. So here we get the first equation, that is T17 is equals to A plus 16D. And you are given that is it is 7 more than the 10th term. So again we have to put down n is equals to 10 in the same formula. So T10 is equals to A plus, the value of n is 10 minus 1 into D. So T10 is equals to A plus 9D. So here we get the two equations. So it is the 17th term and this is 10th term. And from the given condition, you are given that the 17th term, that is this one, A plus 16D, is 7 more than the 10th term. So the answer for the 10th term is A plus 9D and plus 7, because it is 7 more than the 10th term. So here we take the addition of these two terms. Now we open the bracket here. So A plus 16D is equals to A plus 19D. A cancel. 16D minus 9D is equals to 7. So 7D is equals to 7. So D is equals to 1. And so the common difference is 1. So here we finish the exercise 2nd of this chapter, that is 3.2, and the next example we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.